Hi, my name is Felipe Valle Flores. I'm studying mechatronic engineer in military university. This is my intercultural project. Okay, in this case, I'm going to talk about two cities, Bogota and Toronto. Bogota is the capital of Colombia, and Toronto is the capital of Canada. I chose these two places because they are two cities that I like that I like to that I like a lot. And this is a small comparison between the cities. Okay. Well, as for a food, Bogota is the traditional breakfast is arepa with cheese, chocolate, or coffee and eggs. And Toronto, a breakfast is usually cereal, yogurt, and bread with coffee. Okay, on the weekends it's more common that have eggs and bacon for breakfast and omelets. Um, okay, ajiaco is a typical Bogota soup. They are prepared with chicken, earths of corn, three types of potatoes, pastusa, sabanera, and criolla, and pieces of avocado, and huascas. Huascas is a plant that provides an characteristic aroma to this typical lunch. In Toronto, at lunch, people eat soup, sandwiches, or salad. It's also normal have lunch part of dinner the day before, and the lunch time is between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. Okay, for a dinner of Bogota, it's common to have chocolate or coffee with bread. Something simpler compared to lunch with is considered the most important meal of the day. For a dinner, the main meal for the day, um, you eat meat, fish, chicken, pasta, accompanied with by salad or vegetables. In Toronto, the dinner is considered the more important meal of the day. Is okay. It is common for the people in Colombia, but in Bogota, it's common for the people to be punctual. Only some people have too bad habit or begin late. In Canada, punctuality is very important, and begin 2 or 3 minutes late can you be considered more late. Okay, in Bogota, the sports most practiced by people is cycling or biking, soccer. These sports more common in this city. In Toronto, the favorite sport is Canada. The favorite sport in Canada plays well is hockey. They also love to snow ski or snowboard. They also like to play follow sport like basketball, baseball, football, or soccer. These similar sport. And okay, in Bogota, it's normally has a cool climate, but there are seasons where the weather is very hot or very rainy. It's crazy, crazy climate. Uh, Due to climate in this city, it is common for people to wear warm clothes, such as sweaters, jackets, due to the low temperature that may be there. This place is more cool. Um, well, this. Oh, thank you.